Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the video tutorial mission presentation for Arma 3. Last time we saw the overview and loading screen. If you haven't seen the video, watch it right now. This time I will show you the closing shot and debriefing. As I said in the previous video, all these details can help you attract more people to your work because the player will judge your mission from the very start to the end, so the first moment he can see your mission is in the mission selection and the last moment is debriefing. So if you manage to make all these parts and make a good mission, then you will be much more successful. Anyway, let's hop straight into the description.ext file. How to create and edit this file is explained in the previous video. We will make a debriefing first, just because it's much more interesting and complicated, and the closing shot is just an addition to it. So, we will need the following lines. Okay, now we have created the debriefing for the end number 1. You can make more ends if you wish. The process is pretty much the same and I'm going to make only one ending over here. And well, this isn't very long or difficult, but it also doesn't allow us to customize anything. It works just fine. Let me show you how it looks like. But still, we want something a little bit more elaborate, so let's add some new lines between these parentheses or whatever this is called. Okay, and now this looks better, so let's see. First of all, I will show you what we will be trying to do, and then I will use the finished work to show you all the parts and how they are done. So this is how it will look like. A fine debriefing with description, a picture and all that. Now let's go back to description. The title is a big text in the middle that should inform you about the mission state. Players will expect something like mission completed, mission failed, or something like that. Next, subtitle is smaller a little bit and it's located below the title. It's mostly used for a short summary of what happened in the mission. And down here, description will serve you for something you want to tell the player, describe the situation a little bit more or whatever you want to do with the space. Picture background is a name of the image that will be shown behind the text. It has to be a JPEG or a PAA image. The size needs to be a power of 2 and ideally it should be 1024 x 512. If you don't want to use the JPEG image, which is not ideal in some cases, save the image as PNG, then download a program called TextView. There's a link to download below the video, then open the picture in this application and save it as PAA. Another line is picture. Now this picture is a little symbol that can be shown above the main title and you'll see it better when we get to the closing shot. And the last line lets you choose the color of the picture. I don't really know why it's there, it's kind of pointless I think, but anyway, you can leave it at once or you can even delete it completely and it will work just fine. Set everything up and now it's time to set up the closing shot. It is way more easy than the rest of things we have been doing so far here. Open your mission editor and instead of a trigger that ends your mission, so in my case it's this one, blue for present, type end number 1. Once this trigger is activated, the mission will end. Now change the type to nothing and add this line to the on activation box. End 1 is the name of ending we set in the description.ext. I remember we set the class end 1, so this will kinda launch that ending. Call is the command itself and we are launching a function that is called endMission. It will do all the hard work for us. If you know the official missions or if you have played some user-created mission with a closing shot, you know how it looks like and you also know that it takes some time before the mission actually ends. The exact time is 13 seconds, so when you launch this function, it will take 13 seconds for the mission to end. But on the other side, the game will do everything for you in a nice way. Alright, let's see how this thing looks like when completed. Let's see here. Okay, you can see all these cool effects. Mission completed, and now the briefing also shows up with a picture and all texts. It's working. All you need is below the video, including everything we used in this video, so check that out. Have a nice day everyone, and I will see you all next time.